Osmo Action 6 Shooting Parameters. Setting the shooting mode. In the live view, swipe left or right in the center of the screen to select the shooting mode. You can choose from modes such as photo, video, subject tracking, slow motion, and more. Setting the shooting parameters. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to set the parameters for each shooting mode. Various parameters can be set in different shooting modes. Taking video mode as an example, you can set the video resolution and frame rate. Click the aspect ratio icon to select custom. This setting allows you to capture 4K videos and crop the videos to ratios like 16:9 or 9:16 in post-editing, fitting different media platforms. Tap the upper left corner to enable prereq or loop recording and set the time duration. Tap the upper right corner to set the EIS mode and the camera FOV. When used with an FOV boost lens, the camera automatically activates FOV boost mode to provide a wider field of view. Setting the image parameters. In the live view, tap the parameters icon to set the image and audio parameters. Tap Pro to adjust the Pro parameters. It is recommended to set the exposure mode to auto when shooting in fast-moving scenes. Tap variable aperture to select the appropriate aperture mode based on your shooting environment. You can tap color and select D-Log M 10-bit for professional color grading in post-production. With D-Log M selected, you can turn on color recovery to preview the color effects in the live view. When used with a macro lens, the camera automatically detects the lens, allowing you to shoot subjects at closer distances. Rotate the focus ring to manually adjust the focus position.